Racing as they battle for the Chief Justice Marcelo V. Fernan Trophy race. We have Hyper Franco break quickly at the start. Len Chonas Recipe moving up for the outside. Red Minstrel Rising Star next online now is Janet Lin. Force Feed Amazing Damascus while Gidget's Treasure is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Hyper Franco by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Len. Jonas Recipes racing in third, moving up on the outside. Red Minstrel, and out on the inside now is Rising Star. For speed alongside Amazing Damascus, Gidget's Treasure, while Janet Lin now racing less. Another far turn, we have Hyper Franco by a length and a half, and in second comes Len. Down in third is Red Minstrel. Next online is Rising Star. Next online is Force Feed. Jonas Recipe, Amazing Damascus, Janet Lin, while Gidget's Treasure now racing less. And as they swing for home, the lead now belongs to Len by about 3 lengths. Hyper Franco drops back in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Len draws clear by about 6 lengths. And finally, it's Len. Second is Hyper Franco, then comes Rising Star, Red Minstrel, and For Speed for your Pentapecta.